Top of the morning. So I'm so excited today because today is going to be my attempt at making a vlog. I'm a plumber. I'm also a poet. I want to kind of like mesh the two together to show y'all everything I kind of do in a day. I always like to get a good workout in before I start my day. I have the studio actually a little later on tonight. You'll be able to see a little bit of that as well. I'm looking forward to it. I hope y'all are too. Let's go. I put this on my flesh, yeah, I'm blessed and highly favored. When I'm feeling low, I get down low and pray for patience. Tell me that I'm blessed, but it's a blessing that I made it. They tell me I'm impressive, think the pressure hit, then maybe I put this on my flesh, yeah, I'm blessed and highly favored. When I'm feeling low, I get down low and pray for patience. Tell me that I'm blessed, but it's a blessing that I made it. They tell me I'm impressive, think the pressure hit, then maybe I told my little boy I ain't gonna stop until I make it. I'm supposed to tell him chase his dream if I stop chasing. Make it make sense, cause that's where it sounded. All right, I am all finished. Gym was pretty good. You know, I got a good sweat off. Let's go get ready for some plumbing. All right, just got to the site. This is our kitchen waste line right here. And it looks like, oh yeah. I'm gonna go upstairs, fill it with water. Water was pretty much coming up from this laundry pipe. That means that there's a clog somewhere in this floor, in this area, causing it to back up from here. Yeah. Yep.
You want me to cut it off?
No, no.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to get it to fill up and overflow again.
But that's exactly what I was hearing, that sound.
Yeah, that gurgling.
Yeah, and I was like, what the hell is that? So I cut the water off.
Yep,
And then it stopped. Then I'm like, okay. Then I started it back. And next thing, it started making that noise again. And then I heard.
Ah, yeah, okay. And that's what I'm waiting
It's
for.
coming out.
Gotcha. Okay, all right. Yep. All right. I'm gonna check this clean out. Let me check this clean out. Oh, it's under pressure now. Trash can. All right. Yep. All right. So this is where we're gonna run the drain machine at then. It's very important that if you're going to run a drain machine, get the right gloves. Don't use any type of fabric gloves or latex gloves because the cable will grip onto them and take your arm for a spin. You don't want that. A lot of food in here. I mean, if that much food was on the end of that clean out, I guarantee you, the rest of the pipe looks the same. What I'm gonna do is take off this band. I think there's a lot of buildup right there. My cable can't even make it through. All right. Wow, that's cracked. Yep. I'm supposed to tell him chase his dream if I stop chasing. Make it make sense, cause I swear it's sounding kinda crazy. How I wake up, but sometimes still feel like I'm dreaming. I hope you never have to tote a bottle till a genie come about it. Hope you never have to total 40 until the sparks come out of it. Product of my environment where we the ones that do the product. They give us guns to tell us watch it. If time could tell, we get the worst about it. I'm waiting on a day for the time to watch my eyelids for all the things that I done saw. And was burnt until my eyelids. I hope I never have to play back, cause if I did, I wouldn't watch it. Take this movie to the grave and let it play back on my coffin. I be listening, giving advice to people, but why don't I feel like it's working? Yes, I have a heart and it's beating, but when do I know that it's broken? I'd have been broke.
Alright, so I'm gonna start off by just cutting. Just
I'm gonna start off by cutting this piece of pipe right here. As I was saying,
we just gonna put it grinder to cut out this pipe. The can of gals are all in a little way. I'm talking about cutting. It's cut just like butter. Here we are for another cut. All we're gonna do is just cut this down here. It's cut just like butter.
I be listening, giving advice to people, but why don't I feel like it's working? Yes, I have a heart and it's beating, but when do I know that it's broken? I'd have been broke, but it didn't break me. I've been a joke, but it didn't faze me. Now when I stand tall and they look at me, they look back in amazement. They wasn't checking for me, I was saving. Now I'm matured, they want the banking. What was you thinking? How could you say I wasn't gonna make it? I was born up under the pavement. Don't you play me, now you trying to change your statement. Before rules was a thing, I grew up through the concrete. I put this on my flesh, yeah, I'm blessed and highly favored. When I'm feeling low, I get down low and pray for patience. Tell me that I'm blessed.
Oh, that broke my heart. I hate getting primer where it doesn't belong. I feel like if you're priming the inside of a fitting, this is the only place primer should go. One thing I always say is, everybody might not know plumbing or understand it, but they can always tell if it's done neat. So. And then another one. Like DJ Khaled, another one. Oh my gosh. Looks like I'm not gonna get any sleep tonight, you know? It's like, no. Where did that even come from? Oh my gosh. Trying to map this out. This already lines up with our pipe that's horizontal. This here, I can make work if I just roll 245s. I have an offset right here. So I think I actually might pipe it in this way. So, boom. And that'll work. And then just a 90 at the bottom. I'm actually going to do that instead of cutting back on that. I'd rather keep that where it is.
I be listening, giving advice to people, but why don't I feel like it's working? Yes, I have a heart and it's beating, but when do I know that it's broken? I'd have been broke, but it didn't break me. I've been a joke, but it didn't faze me. Now when I stand tall and they look at me, they look back in amazement. They wasn't checking for me, I was saving. Now I'm matured, they want the banking. What was you thinking? How could you say I wasn't gonna make it? I was born up under the pavement. Don't you play me, now you trying to change your statement. Before rules was a thing, I grew up through the concrete. I put this on my flesh, yeah, I'm blessed and highly favored. When I'm feeling low, I get down low and take some patience. Tell me that I'm blessed, but it's a blessing that I made it. They tell me I'm impressive, think the pressure, it done maybe. For a while I thought I was worthless. Found my pen and found my purpose. Oh, the paper ain't deserve it. I was cursing in my cursive. I get my story through these verses. I get perception through procession. Can you follow verbal hearses? Yes, I'm a poet, never once said I was perfect. I used to think I wasn't welcome in them churches, but through my worship, I felt God through my worship. Now I'm living in my purpose. I deserve this. I used to think I wasn't good enough for anybody. Like who could love this body? Take my
Look at that bubble. Now this is the bubble we're looking at.
take my heart, then do away with this body. Now I love this body. I wouldn't trade it for the globe, and I mean anybody. Learning to appreciate the day-to-day. Kiss my son on the forehead and still give thanks. Learning small things make us great. It's still okay. Be a kid a little longer and act your age. Don't be rushing to adult yet, don't trust the hype. I'ma always be here for you, so live your life. I don't care what they tell you, you'll know it's right. Be a man of your word and never lie. I put this on my flesh, yeah, I'm blessed and highly favored. When I'm feeling low, I get down low and pray for patience. Tell me that I'm blessed, but it's a blessing that I made it. They tell me I'm impressive, think the pressure, it done maybe.
I'm gonna just clean up a little bit. So we're testing this line here by running water down in this drain, which will then go to the point past the wall. So You hear it nice and open. Alright, so it's time to wrap this up, because I'm going to be late for the studio, so I want to take y'all with me. We're going to clean up all of this stuff here. I'm going to backfill everything, but let's get out of here.
No shoes, no map in my pocket. I'm with you. You know what? I'm gonna take out that yeah. On that, oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna take out that yeah. How seatbelts make us safe, yeah. I'm just doing how seatbelts make us safe.
Almost a finished product, so give a thumbs up if you like it. Please comment below, subscribe, and let me know if y'all want to hear this song. Please let me know. Let me know.
I'll hold you 10 and 2 and